Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Sanur. I'm actually currently stood here on the beach at Sindhu Beach here in Sanur, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a short walk from Pantai Sindhu or Sindhu Beach to Pantai Segara, Segara Beach. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a short stroll. It's only a short distance that I'm going to cover. I'm just going to show you all the restaurants, warungs, shops and everything available on the beach at the in between these two sections of beach. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a short walk from Pantai Sindhu to Pantai Segara. Okay, so I'm going to start here at the Pantai Sindhu beach sign. So just here, this is all your motorbike parking area, what you've got to pay 2,000 for. This is Jalan Pantai Sindhu leading to Jalan Danatoba on the right there, and on the left we have some local market stalls selling beach toys and lots of clothing. Here's the Pantai Sindhu sign, just to show you we're at Sindhu Beach. So just all along the side there's the market stalls. There's lots of ladies and men's clothing available there. We're just going to take this track around the side here. Some showers in the back if you want to have a wash after the beach. And then just first of all here on the right we have the Turtle Conservation Centre. It's a place that houses turtles. So inside is a collection of tanks there. All of those tanks have turtles inside. You make a donation in the box there. There's going to be baby turtles to adult turtles. And just here we have a lounging area here on the beach, some sun lounges. And then just here we have some local warungs. So we have a collection of local warungs on the right hand side there. This is going to be a great place for your cheap food and drinks. And then here's the seating area by the beach. So just from all our local warungs in the back, and behind the back over there is the Inner Sindu Hotel Resort, and then this is the beach here at Sindhu Beach. Nice clean white sand beach, a promenade going out into the ocean, and then this is the other side of the beach. Okay, so just back at a Pantai Sindhu sign now, we're going to turn left and make our way towards Segara Beach, showing you everything along the way. So just at the back of the beach here we have some bicycles for rental. Usually a bit expensive if you get them from here on the beach. And this in the back is a place called La Hutu's, like a coffee shop restaurant. Ayu Spa in the back there. There's La Hutu's little seating area. And then we also have an area on the beach as well. It's a seating area, you can see it's quite busy. In the back here we have any warung, Pantai Sindhu Sanur, have a convenience store, tourist goods shop. And we have another warung here, warung Kareta. So very busy inside there. And then just next along the line we have Tutsi Bar and Restaurant, simply the best. It's also very busy inside of there. What's going on at Tutsi? Beer buckets available. 5 bottles Sinaraja 100k, Bintang Crystal 130, Bintang 125. And some of the coffee menu. we also have a nice seating area here inside on the beach. Okay, so just from Tutsi we're going to continue on in this direction. Some little tourist goods stalls here. Segara Ayu tourist information for booking your tours and things. It's the desk there. Some bicycles and sunbeds for rental here. There's the bicycles. Some sunbeds. We'll just take you down and show you. Guy having a massage there as well. And then just in here we have some sunbeds for rent. These are usually 50,000 each. Wooden sunbeds, soft cushion seating. There's your beach area here. Okay, so just back out from our sunbeds and bicycle rental. Now we're into a place called Beard House. It's a very impressive place on the left hand side there. Also has a beautiful seating area outside. It's quite busy there also. Very busy inside. And just turning around from the seating area there, there's the Beard House in the back. Okay, so just carrying on from the Beard House, very beautiful area this all around here. So we have a Segara Beach beauty and body treatment. Just in the back here, so we have some for your leg and foot massage here. There's some beds in the back, some more long chair sunbeds for rent as well, just at the front there, front of the massage. And just just along the back here we have a collection of tourist goods shops. $40k each, 3 pieces, 100. Manor shop. Nice impressive seating area here also on the beach. And then just here we have the impressive lobster. Segara, the Seaside bar and restaurant. So for free entry for the Segara Playland for the kiddies, this is the restaurant attached next door, so we have a seating area here. And I'm going to just take you inside and show you the restaurant. Have a pool table in here, there's a bar at the back called the Wave Bar, some tables and chairs in here. And then here we have a beautiful swing seating. And the kiddies play area is just to the side there. Okay, so just from our restaurant there we continue walking. So just here on the right we have a temple. It's quite a big temple, that one. So we're just a short walk now and we've already arrived at Pantai Segara. So just from the Pantai Segara sign, we have Segara Seaside sign there. Some more bicycles for rent there. Have a whole host of little stalls here selling all your snacks and things. Healthy Sendol drinks, very nice that. Have that myself. Have some inflatables for rent for the kiddies for the ocean. There's your beach here at Segara. The promenade here. Here's the other side of the beach. And then just from the Pantai Segara sign there, have some more bicycles for rent on the side here. Have some toilets here, 5,000. And then just in the back here we have a nice collection of local warungs. This is warung citra. Some of the menu available here. Another one here. Customers side there.